The market for laser engraving machines has been dominated by various companies, offering different machines at different price ranges to cater to both beginners and enthusiasts. However, using a laser engraving machine can be tricky and complicated. WeCreat aims to solve this problem by introducing a new machine with a simplified process. This exciting option promises to make laser engraving easier and more accessible for a range of consumers. This is the WeCreat Vision. The WeCreat Vision 20W is an advanced laser engraving machine that boasts a plethora of exceptional features and capabilities. It is particularly renowned for its remarkable cylinder engraving capabilities, allowing users to engrave intricate designs on cylindrical objects with incredible precision and accuracy. The machine is equipped with cutting-edge technology and state-of-the-art components, making it a reliable and efficient tool for engraving a wide range of materials, including wood, plastic, and metal. This engraver is a must-have for beginners who want to start their laser engraving journey. It has been designed in a user-friendly way, and you will notice its simplicity and flexibility throughout this video. Moreover, it is completely safe for those who are new to this kind of technology. Therefore, if you want to introduce your kids to this field, this engraver would be a great starting point. With that said, let's unbox this guy and get it up and running. So unboxing this, and it's clear to see you do indeed get everything you could possibly need to get this set up and use it straight out of the box. The box is heavy, weighing over 60 pounds, and the machine inside makes up about 42 of that. So this is by no means lightweight. In the box we do get a USB cable, some tools, an antenna, a power cable, a power brick, and an exhaust. In the other box you'll find your air assist and your rotary tool, which we will talk about a bit more later on. So that is everything, and as you can see there's quite a bit in the box. So I want to start by first taking a look at the engraver itself, and this isn't a small one by any means. The enclosed form factor not only represents the future development trend of the industry, but also the necessity of home laser engravers for your average consumer like me. Despite its large size, this thing has some very impressive abilities. The device boasts a build surface of 420 by 290 and a unique auto-lifting design with autofocus features. This makes it the world's first enclosure that automatically adjusts the focusing distance based on the height of the object, eliminating the need for a base. This really does indeed simplify the whole process of engraving. This enclosure can be raised up to 100mm to allow for engraving larger objects. The inside slats are removable to make it easier for the laser to engrave and reduce the charring. The 20W laser module can cut up to 10mm of basewood in a single pass, and has a lifespan of more than 10,000 hours. It does have a dot accuracy of 0.8 by 8 and can engrave at a speed of up to 600mm a second. Now I can't deny that is pretty good. The module also includes a built-in air assist which can be controlled by the software, and an exhaust port with a built-in fan that allows you to vent out a window or room using the included hose. Now there really isn't much setup out of the box. There's a couple of things you have to tighten up, but apart from that, this is good to go. The WeCreat is designed for ease of use straight out of the box. One of the key features that sets this apart is its auto laser adjusting function. Now this feature truly does make the whole process of adjusting the focus so much easier. It can be time consuming and a tedious process. However, the Creation Vision is nothing like that. It has been made to be very easy. To use the auto laser adjusting function, you simply need to click the autofocus button on the designated software. Now the WeCreat Make It is actually a very functional piece of software that is extremely user friendly. Once downloaded and connected to your computer, you can go ahead and click a line. The upper part of the enclosure slowly ascends to the highest position, and the laser head moves from the top left hand corner to the actual material down below. As it moves, it aligns with the upper body until it reaches a point where it determines the actual focus. This process is so fast and much more accurate than having to do it yourself with some kind of silly leveling tool. As mentioned earlier, the WeCreat Vision is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. The entire process, from adjusting the focus to beginning the cutting or engraving process, well, it's quick and straightforward. But the ease of use doesn't stop there. You don't need to be an expert in laser engraving to use this machine. Thanks to its built-in HD camera, the software shows objects in real time, allowing users to drag and drop patterns with precision to their desired location on the material below. This built-in camera is a real game changer, as it eliminates the guesswork of aligning your material and the final outputs. I absolutely love this camera feature. It is fantastic. I can see in real time what I want it to look like and where it's positioned. Now that's something you don't get with other engravers. Unlike other machines on the market, there is no overlapping between the start and finish of the image when you actually use the rotary tool. This rotary tool is an extension for cylindrical objects like bottles, glasses, and much more. Engraving on a bottle can be a seamless process with the WeCreat Vision, and the rotary securely holds the bottle in place, ensuring there is no movement during the engraving process. So there is a lot of versatility when it comes to this engraver. There is a lot of things you can do with it. But let's head over to the software and get a bit more in depth with it. Thankfully, the software offers a vast array of samples which are categorized to inspire various DIY projects and provide a starting point for your creative efforts. These samples include a range of engraving and cutting options so you can experiment with different techniques and find the perfect fit for your project. Furthermore, the software includes pre-tested samples with different results available for you to choose from when you're ready to engrave on different materials. The WeCreat Make It software offers a simple cylindrical mode for easy engraving. Users can adjust the settings including speed and power to achieve the desired results. Now, one thing I like, there is actually an industry first feature in the WeCreat Vision that enables you to adjust the speed and power settings with just one click. This is called a quick view matrix, and it allows you to choose the desired engraving effect you want from a simple picture. Once you select it, all the corresponding settings required to achieve that effect are automatically applied without any guessing work. You just simply need to tell the machine what the material is and the desired result. Now, you can't deny that this feature is truly fantastic. Now, as mentioned earlier, the Vision Engraver boasts a maximum engraving speed of 600mm a second, which is significantly faster than the second fastest full enclosure diode laser on the market. The cutting surface is remarkably clean without the usual burning of the edges like others I've used. The 20-watt laser is perfect for DIY projects with an accuracy of 0.01mm that delivers intricate details and crystal clear images. It really doesn't matter what type of material you use on the software and machine itself, as it offers simplistic usability. Here, on simple wood, I can begin a laser cut with ease. I simply select the material in question, let it know I want to cut it out, and input my design, taking full advantage of the camera's ability to align everything up for me. Within a couple of minutes, I was able to cut out this somewhat simple square, but with very good precision. As you can see, the cut is almost perfect. You're not getting that horrible burned or yellow edging as you do with lower end models. This lives up to its asking price. So when it comes to engraving more intricate designs like a portrait of a photo, let's see how that turns out. After inputting the image into the software and selecting the desired effect, surprisingly, the process was much faster than traditional engraving methods, even for an intricate design like this one. I have to admit, the final result was really nice. The engraving captured all the light and dark details with admirable attention to detail. I think with a little tweaking, I could probably get this better. I simply can't deny its 20-watt high-power laser enhances cutting efficiency, ensuring precision, speed, and versatility for all desired types on a variety of surfaces. All in all, the WeCreat Vision 20-watt D laser engraving machine is a versatile versatile and powerful tool that offers exceptional engraving capabilities. Its innovative features such as that chuck rotary and designated mounting spot, along with its HD camera and autofocusing abilities, make it a reliable and efficient option for engraving or cutting on various types of objects or surfaces. This really is a great investment for both beginners and enthusiasts alike. In my opinion, it gives the consumer the fun of engraving without the boring side of guessing engraving settings and manually having to adjust everything each time you engrave. This is a game changer in the engraving market. With that said, be sure to check out this product in a link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.